Hello all, I am Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video we will talk about a very controversial move that Apple made in the iPhone 12 event. And yes, that is a removal of earphones and power adapters from the box. But before getting started with an interesting topic, I would request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from the iGeeks blog. Now, if you have done that, let's talk about the removal of box content. Though Apple is one of the biggest and most admired companies in the world, it has never been far from the controversy. We all know that Apple never hesitates from taking bold moves. In fact, it is one of the very few companies that is known for taking the decision that may even upset a group of the customers. But they still do in order to provide customer an experience they have never thought of but will love once they have their hands on it. We saw a great example that supports this statement when Steve Jobs launched the iPhone. The idea behind it was to give an experience that people have never gone through. People did not know how easy and practical it was to use a touchscreen device as it was the first of its kind. People from all over the world loved it, and by launching a touchscreen device, Apple is able to deliver people an experience that they don't know they will love. Another example that supports this statement is removal of headphone jack. To most of the customer, that was a massive blunder that Apple made, but to me, it was a very bold move that pushed users all over the world to use wireless headphones and earphones. And the very next year, Apple introduced wireless charging to iPhone 8 that hinted to the fact that they are slowly shifting to a wireless generation. And if we clearly look at this recent move that Apple made, this is also a step to a wireless generation. Yes, I know the fact that users already have adapters at their home, but won't I love to wirelessly charge my phone at very fast speed compared to a slow one if my device is able to. This is how, in my opinion, Apple pushes its customers to a wireless technology. But hey, this is just the theory, and everything that is mentioned in this video is my thought. Of course, removing box contents will help Apple to reduce their carbon footprints, and they may even be able to go 100% carbon neutrals way before 2030. There are other tech companies as well, but none of them runs on 100% renewable energy, and this fact blows away my mind every time I think about it. Removing of box content are helping Apple in giving a user experience they will love as well as takes care of the environment. This, according to me, a very appreciable effort that we should also support instead of criticizing them. But of course, what you think about the same topic may be a different than my opinion, and I love to hear that. So please don't forget to comment down below. I hope you like this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.